Starting around 11 November 2023, Star Atlas Dow sort of is exchanging at 36 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.29% in absolute most recent 1 hour, in a very significant manner in a significant way. Polis for the most part really has an exceptionally complete market cap of $84,655,633, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,343,198 in a genuinely significant manner. This truly sort of makes Star Atlas Dow, Polis, in every way that really matters, sort of positioning at 327 in the digital money market, showing how this explicitly sort of makes Star Atlas Dow, Polis, truly positioning at 327 in the cryptographic money market, which especially sort of is very critical. In the event that you generally in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Star Atlas Dow cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas Dow, all things considered, be actually genuinely worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner, or so they generally thought? Is Star Atlas Dow a by and large wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, especially certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Polis cost in every way that really matters outperform its record-breaking high, which in a real sense is very huge? These for the most part are our Star Atlas Dow cost expectations for Polis's future, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Star Atlas Dow, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas Dow conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost basically for the most part is supposed to generally cross in every way that really matters, normal value level of 12 cents, the normal by and large least value worth of Star Atlas Dow, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be 12 cents. So assuming you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Star Atlas Dow cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas Dow explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they thought? Besides, Polis can generally in a real sense arrive at an all things considered, most extreme value level of 13 cents, fundamentally sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas Dow value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas Dow truly is generally anticipated to truly reach it in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.096 in August 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The Polis cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 11 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas Dow value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas Dow cost in a real sense is supposed to by and large basically reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the typical cost of Polis for the September entirely remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas Dow value conjecture October 2023. The essentially normal cost of Star Atlas Dow, Polis, could in every practical sense go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, which for the most part in a real sense is very critical. Polis could sort of exchange around a truly greatest worth of 12 cents, with the truly least expected cost of 11 cents, in a sort of significant manner. Polis value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas Dow basically is supposed to by and large arrive at an especially least value worth of 11 cents, showing how in the event that you for the most part truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Star Atlas Dow cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas Dow in a real sense be truly worth in 2023 in an especially huge manner? The Polis cost could explicitly arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme cost of 12 cents, with the sort of especially normal cost around 12 cents in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas Dow value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas Dow fundamentally is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around an extremely least of 12 cents, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas Dow cost can in every practical sense arrive at an especially limit of 13 cents, with the very sort of normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, or so they for the most part explicitly thought. Star Atlas Dow pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas Dow's cost explicitly has shown an especially decent increment of 6.84% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which truly generally is very critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the pulse generally was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 34.36%, exhibiting how besides pulse can generally arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest value level of 13 cents, which truly is very critical. Star Atlas DAO for the most part truly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute entirely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the by and large current cost and especially beyond 30 days cost history, it most certainly is seen that Star Atlas DAO sort of has expanded 29.550% in its worth, or so they explicitly thought. The in every practical sense kind of normal genuinely least cost for the month generally is 23 cents, while greatest sort of normal cost in every way that really matters was 25 cents, kind of additional appearance how this truly generally makes Star Atlas DAO, pulse, essentially positioning at 327 in the digital money market. Showing how this explicitly makes Star Atlas DAO, pulse, sort of positioning at 327 in the digital money market, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This suggests that this coin basically is a reasonable resource and another expansion to extremely arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, which by and large is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO value figure 2023 facts. What will explicitly be Star Atlas DAO truly worth in 2023 in an all things considered enormous way, which is very huge. The pulse cost in every practical sense is determined to especially arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 13 cents, with least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, showing the way that the pulse cost could truly arrive at a by and large sort of greatest cost of 12 cents, with the essentially normal cost around 12 cents, which really is very huge. Star's Atlas DAO essentially explicitly have a future in an unobtrusive manner. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO basically truly has an extraordinary sort of truly potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of exceptionally huge manner, as a matter of fact. It truly is figure that pulse will increment in esteem, sort of genuinely further appearance how basically is Star Atlas DAO an excellent speculation or kind of genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. As per very unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Star Atlas DAO can commonly stir things up around town, the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, showing how in any case, after the contrasting the especially current cost and in every practical sense, recent days cost history, it in a real sense really is seen that Star Atlas DAO in a real sense has expanded 29.550% in its worth. Which by and large is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Is Star Atlas DAO certainly worth purchasing in 2023, which essentially generally is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Star Atlas DAO's worth fundamentally is supposed to for the most part keep on growing, as deficiency